Hi everyone, student meteorologist Trevor Blatnik is back on a very, very early Wednesday morning here in Highlands Ranch, Colorado. It's a little bit before 4 a.m. here. Definitely not as tired as you'd think I would be, but we just had the winter storm watch upgraded to a winter storm warning. 4 to 8 inches expected here in the metro area. West in the foothills, about half a foot to a foot. Timing of the storm's gonna be a little interesting. It's not the typical early morning or move-in later at night. It's gonna be in the middle of the day, and that's what's going to be difficult. It's because of travel. Warmer, really warm temperatures yesterday, but because it's not going to start snowing until about 2 o'clock in the metro area, we're not going to get that warmth from yesterday to help us out, because it's going to be cold in the 30s the entire day, and so the heat from the sun is going to leave the streets, and I don't think it's going to be insulated enough to protect us from quick accumulation like we've been lucky to have. I believe it was last Friday. It'll be interesting to see how it impacts the rush hour commute, especially on a Friday. You actually might be a little bit lucky because it's Friday if you get out of the office a little bit earlier, because the heaviest snow is expected from 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock p.m. It shouldn't be too much of an impact on Thursday. If it is, it'll be earlier in the morning, not so much during the day. So if you have travel Thursday, that morning commute might be a little iffy, especially if you have to get out early, but later in the day, it should be good, especially once the roads are plowed. But it'll be weird. That's the big thing here is I can't give you a real answer of what the roads are going to look like, especially for your commute, especially because you're leaving earlier. I'd like to say hi to Grandma Jan, because I know you're up at 4 o'clock in the morning just like me, and I know you're going to see this weather report when I put it on Facebook, so hello. You are you're closer to the 6 to 12 range than I am. I'm closer to 4 to 8. But I would stay off the roads tomorrow night. If you don't need to get out, just stay home. Even if you do have to get out, consider canceling your plans, because it's just not worth it. Especially later at night, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, when that snow really starts picking up. Just stay home. It's not worth, whatever you're doing is not worth potentially getting into an accident and hurting yourself or someone else, or worse. Until next time, stay safe everybody, and ride out the storm.